Today I am reviewing the ProTeam Super Coach Pro 6 Backpack Vacuum. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you have ever spent an entire day hunched over a standard upright vacuum, you already know the back pain that comes with the job. I have been putting the ProTeam Super Coach Pro 6 through its paces for the last few weeks in a variety of settings, ranging from crowded office spaces to tight residential stairwells, and I have some very specific thoughts on whether this backpack vacuum is actually worth the investment for your cleaning routine. The first thing you notice when you strap this thing on is the weight distribution. It weighs about 11 pounds, which sounds like a lot to carry on your back, but the harness system is genuinely well engineered. ProTeam clearly put a lot of thought into the ergonomic design. It sits high on your back, shifting the weight to your hips rather than your shoulders. After about 30 minutes of continuous use, I did not feel that familiar strain I usually get from hauling a canister vacuum around. However, there is a catch. If you are on the shorter side or have a smaller frame, the adjustment straps can be a bit finicky to get just right. If you do not spend the time to dial in the fit, you are going to feel that weight digging into your lower back after an hour or so. Performance-wise, this machine is a beast. The suction power is significantly stronger than what you get with any residential-grade vacuum. It pulls dust and debris out of high-traffic commercial carpets with ease. I tested it on a low-pile office carpet that sees hundreds of footsteps a day, and it lifted embedded grit that my standard vacuum had been missing for months. The 6-quart capacity is a sweet spot for most users. It is large enough that you are not constantly stopping to empty it, but it is not so heavy that it becomes unwieldy when it is full. If you want to check the current price or see the full specs for yourself, I have included a link below the video that will take you straight to the product page. One of the biggest strengths of the Super Coach Pro is the mobility. Because it is a backpack, you are not dragging a heavy canister behind you, which means you can navigate around desk legs, chairs, and corners with incredible speed. Using the telescoping wand toolkit, I found that reaching high vents or cleaning tight spots between cubicles was significantly faster than with traditional equipment. The cord length is generous, though you are still tethered to a wall, which is the biggest limitation compared to the newer cordless battery-operated models currently flooding the market. Now, I have to talk about the noise level. This is not a quiet machine. It is a commercial-grade motor, and it sounds like one. If you are planning to use this in an occupied office space while people are trying to work, they're going to hear you coming from 3 rooms away. It is loud enough that I highly recommend wearing ear protection if you're going to be using it for more than 20 minutes at a time. This is a tool designed for efficiency and power, not for stealthy cleaning. Another point of contention is the exhaust. The air vents out of the top of the unit, which is great for keeping dust away from your face, but it does create a warm breeze on your neck. In a hot, non-air-conditioned environment, that extra heat can become pretty annoying pretty quickly. Also, while the filtration system is excellent and keeps fine dust from blowing back into the room, the bags can be a bit pricey if you are doing a high volume of cleaning. You need to factor that recurring cost into your budget. If you are a professional cleaner or someone who manages a large property with a lot of floor space, this vacuum is an absolute game changer for your productivity. It cuts down cleaning time by allowing you to move through a room without constantly maneuvering a bulky machine. However, if you're just looking for a vacuum for your home, this is likely overkill. It is heavy, it is loud, and the setup is much more involved than just plugging in a standard vacuum. You would be paying for professional-grade power that you probably do not need for a typical living room or bedroom. I also want to mention the build quality. It is manufactured in Mexico and has that rugged, industrial feel. Everything clips together securely, and the wand feels sturdy enough to handle some accidental bumps against walls or furniture. It does not feel cheap, but the plastic casing is utilitarian, and utilitarian is exactly what you want for a tool that is going to get banged around on the job. To wrap things up, the ProTeam Super Coach Pro 6 is a specialized tool for people who need to get a lot of work done in a hurry. It is efficient, powerful, and ergonomically superior to almost any other corded vacuum I have used. If you are tired of struggling with uprights in tight spaces, this is a massive upgrade. Just be aware of the noise, the ongoing cost of bags, and the learning curve of the harness system. If you think this might be the right fit for your cleaning needs, feel free to check the link below the video to see the latest pricing and availability. It is a solid, reliable piece of equipment, provided you understand that you are buying a workhorse, not a luxury household appliance.